Today I'm going to be showing you installation of our leading edge chromatic stone holders, either for 6-inch or 4-inch stones, any 6-inch type form stone factor, stone size, or any 4-inch type of stone, be it Venev Scorpions, Columbia Gorge Stoneworks, or the Venev Dog size stones onto your KME. The first step we'll need to take is take your original KME stone holder, loosen up the bar by loosening the nut, remove the bar from the stone holder and set that aside. If you want to use a 4-inch stone holder, you simply install the KME threaded or the KME bar into the stone holder, snug up the nut, and now you're ready to install 4-inch stones. Just simply unscrew the clamp in the back, open it up, install whatever stone you want, seat it nicely, and close it up. Now your KME is ready to be used with various stones. This is another example of the Columbia Gorge Stoneworks stones. Loosen it up, slot it in, seat it in position, and snug it up. If you want to be using 6-inch stones, same process. Stone holder for 6-inch stones, loosen it up, install your Venev Orion stone as an example, seat it, snug it up nicely, and it is nice and secure. Edge Pro form factor size, like these Venev stones too. Open it up, seat them nicely, straighten it out, and snug it up. And it's ready to be used with the KME.